Want to see how I did this one-of-a-kind cup? Keep on watching. Hey everybody, it is Rebecca with JMad. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am showing that I've taken a picture of a painted picture that someone had given to me to put on a cup. What I did was, once I took the picture, I uploaded it to my computer and then printed it out on sticker paper on my regular inkjet printer. Ooh, tongue tie. Anyways, I did 2 coats of white acrylic paint, and then I added white mica powder to the epoxy. Once I had 1 layer of epoxy, I put on this sticker paper shown right here. It is very thin and also very finicky. So if you apply this sticker paper, make sure that you are very careful because it will leave bubbles. And I had issues with bubbles. That's why I'm telling you. But what I did was I took my craft knife and I just poked little holes to release the air. I did have a little trouble peeling off the excess of the sticker paper, but overall, at least it came off. Once I added the sticker paper, I added 1 coat of epoxy, sanded it, and then I added the decal, which I lost the footage of me adding the decal on, but you will see that I did find the video where I was adding like the little strips of vinyl to the top of the cup. So right here I added that first coat of epoxy, and I'm just using the heat gun to pop the bubbles. So I did struggle a little bit with this vinyl. I don't know if it was user error or just, I don't know. But I struggled. It took me a little bit to get it on, but I did not have any issues with lifting with the coat of epoxy that I added after I added this vinyl on. The measurements of this vinyl, the length is, I think it was 11 inches, and then the width was a 0.025. Very, very tiny, but I thought it added a really good pop to the picture on this cup. Once I was done with this cup got 2 more coats of epoxy with sanding in between the coats, and that was it. Here is the finished product. If you have any questions, leave them for me in the comments. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'm a teachable person. I love to learn. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.